Today, we're looking at some project management software that is unique. And the reason it's unique is their core mission was to keep it simple. It's a busy marketplace. I have reviewed other project management software, and even me as a software reviewer can't get my head around what button to click, or where to register, or how to find a project, or how to add people. So the simplicity of ProjectCO really makes it a winner for me. So in this short video, I'm going to take you through the features of ProjectCO, and then there'll be follow-up videos where I show you me actually using it, collaborating with my team, and showing you exactly how everything works. So let's jump in right now. Oh yeah, there is a link in the description of this video. There is a free account with them, so you can just try it out on the freebie account. And the link in the description, it'll give you 50% off for the first 3 months if you decided to subscribe. So check that out, and here is ProjectCO. So here is the ProjectCO dashboard. Sorry to jump in, but all the way through this video, I've been calling it Project.io. And it's not. It's Project.co. Sorry about that. Enjoy it. It's really good. And why can't other software companies just make their software look as simple as this, so that when you see it for the first time, you are not daunted and you can see what's going on? There's just 8 boxes: projects, templates, tasks, people, groups, files, payments, and time. Let's run through them quickly. Projects, that's where you create your projects and where other people can access projects. Templates, if you want to start a project with a template, click on that. I think there's about 30 pre-made templates. Tasks, well, task management, they will actually be integrated within projects. People we're going to go to first in a minute, and I'm going to show you how to add people and invite them. And then you add people to the groups. This is where the files are stored, payments, and time. Okay, if you take payments and if people want to manage the time. But all of these will be linked up within projects. I will show you. So the first thing you will do, if you are the business owner, I'm going to try and keep this video as simple as ProjectCO. The first thing you'll do if you're a business owner or the project manager is you'll add people. Just to let you know, by the way, in the settings you can, on the higher packages, white label this. So you might be an agency that manages other people's projects, or you might want your company to look like you have actually created this software yourself. You can completely white label it, so even the emails look like they're just coming from your company and not ProjectCO on the higher packages. But the first thing you would do is add people to the people, and simply put their emails in and send them an invite. When you invite the people, you can decide what they are going to be. They can either be collaborators. That's people who can create and edit tasks. Creators, they can view the tasks, create, edit tasks. Creator Plus can manage custom fields that you decide. And a creator admin can basically do the same thing that I can do. They can control projects and everything in the account settings. All right, so you decide what level you are going to set the people, and you send them an invite. Just to let you, actually, we're going to pause now. I'll just show you that it was really simple, this. So this is the email that comes through. Once again, that can be rebranded straight for you, ProjectCO, but you could have your own email there. And they simply click on the link. It might say I'm already registered, but no, it doesn't. That's great. So you join the Phil Reviews account. They can add an image if they want to. They put their name in and their password, and they join. And once they've joined and clicked on that button, it will take them to this page, and they get a similar view to you, depending on what level you've set when you've invited them. Okay, so we'll just jump back to my main page now. So you've invited your people into ProjectCO, and then you're going to put them into groups. So one might be your workforce, one might be people who are collaborating on specific projects. You can put people in groups, and then you can assign, it might be you're building a website, and that website build has different projects. One might be, creating the email database. One might be creating the homepage. You could have groups in here and assign certain groups to certain projects. You can really, I want to keep it simple, but you could really make it as complicated as you want to make it. So now we go to projects. You could use a template to set up your projects. In fact, I'll just show you that very quickly. Here are the templates. And if you go to their template gallery at ProjectCO, there are around 30 pre-made templates if you want to use one of them. I'm sure that list will grow in time, but I didn't do that. I just went to projects, and you set up your project, and what's your project going to be? Mine is the Phil's Deals website I'm completing, and I just typed new project. I added the people to the project. I said underneath what we are doing in this project: completion of the site, management of the site, reporting of errors. And then you can add different tools to the project, and they're the things you just saw there. So it might be that someone's working on the payment on the site, and they can log how much time they've spent on the project, and then you can arrange payments with them. You can add notes to the project, and also all of the files relating to that project. You could also have a discussion flowing where everybody's just chatting away about the project, and then you can add separate tasks to the project. Okay, so I've got privacy policy, a page I'm building, the Google site submission, and you can open the task up, and within that task, obviously, add as much as you want into that task, so that we can discuss timings, what needs to be done for each specific task. As I say, you can really go as advanced as you want with ProjectCO, but I suggest you try and keep everything simple. And as you can see, within all of these other 8 boxes, basically fall within the projects, because you can assign groups of people to the project. Add a group or add people. You can add all of those other 8 boxes to the project. Okay? You can embed things into the project as well. If you wanted to show someone a web page, you can embed those things into the project. This is going to be a short video because this software is really simple to demonstrate. It doesn't need to be more complicated. I am just going to show you now a couple more options. If you go to integrations, you can integrate ProjectCO with 5,000 other apps using Zapier. Okay, you might be familiar with Zapier. If not, my video of Zapier coming soon. You can also integrate your Stripe and your PayPal for your payments. And just to show you again, the account settings here will be your account. This is where I've got an account with up to 5 creators who have the full access, and also a 50 gig storage on my account, different levels obviously on different packages with ProjectCO. And just to show you also on the account, just show you this thing. I just want to scroll through. These things aren't really that important. You can actually set up your invoice, so it's got your headers and footers. You can say where you are, but the one thing I just want to show you very quickly is that you can customize the domain or the email so that they are sent from your domain, and your email are sent from your email address, and also the custom branding. So if you're an agency or you want to make this look like it is your own, you can change, depending on what package you are on, change all of the logos and the branding to make it look like your own. And I think, as I say, there will be another video on the way of me using ProjectCO to manage my projects, and I'll show you how I'm getting on with it. But let's just jump out and I'll just give you not my final thoughts, but my initial feelings about ProjectCO. I like it. As I said at the start of this video, why can't other software companies make it as simple as that? Just a really easy tool where you can add people to the projects, add them to groups. You can manage all of the files, payments, and time within the app. What more do you need? So highly recommended. As I say, the link in the description of this video will give you, you can set up a free account, and if you do go onto the paid plans, I'll either include the code in this video or it'll just be a direct link. It'll give you 3 months half price to get going on it. All right. So thanks for watching that. Now that little bit where I say thanks for subscribing to my channel. This channel at time of recording is 4 months old, and it's been great for me. It really has. But the faster I grow, the faster I can really get creating more videos, and actually, as I found out recently, get better deals from the software companies. So, yeah, the more subscribers, the better the deals. So it helps you and it helps me if you do subscribe. So that would be fantastic. And I will see you next time with another one. See you soon, everyone. Cheers.